Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Noor from NW Consultancy, and today I'm going to guide you about how to practice clinical dentistry in Canada for free without spending penny through McCall MacBain scholarship. This is one of the most prestigious scholarships that is offered into McGill University, which is one of the most prestigious universities of Canada. And through that pathway, you can actually do DDS and DMD without paying much. So, as we've already discussed, that there are two primary pathways to get licensure. One is NDEB equivalency pathway, where you have to clear a series of tests like AFK, ACJ, NDAC, and then you get your license. And another is DDS or Advanced Standing Program, through which you get the DDS or DMD degree, in which, just like USA, you have to get enrolled into some sort of a university. You have to study there for 2 or 2.5 years program, and then you get graduated and you get your degree. This is how things work. So, McGill DMD Advanced Standing Program is exclusively for graduates who are from non-accredited international dental programs, like someone who is a BDS graduate from Pakistan can apply for this, but has the permanent residency of Canada or maybe the citizenship of Canada. Only if you have a BDS degree and a citizenship of Canada, you can apply for this program. The program duration is an accelerated 2.5 year track where students can enter the later years of DMD program, although it's a 4 years degree. But since you have already done graduation from your home country, so you only need to give another 2 to 2.5 years into the university. Okay, so the essential academic prerequisites are before that, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly do that because this is going to uh, like going to help you explore a lot many options. Other immigration pathways, specifically to Mauritius. I'm going to talk about British Columbian new pathway where they will be offering, some PNP sort of opportunities for healthcare workers. So don't miss it out. Do subscribe, do interact with my channel, and do share it with your friends as well. Okay, so for essential academic prerequisites, you need to have a BDS degree, which is a 120 credit degree, which is 4 years from an accredited institution. Must be completed by July 31st of the entry year. Maybe if you're getting entered into 2026, so July 31st should be a full-time study. It is strongly recommended. However, they also focus on science foundation. You should have 6 credits in biology, 6 credits in chemistry, with 3 credits in organic labs, and physics 6 credits. If you have some sort of less credits in physics, they allow you to get additional calculus course while you are at the McGill, and fulfill all those credits there once you get admitted. Okay, so there are certain standardized testing, which is ADAT and CASPER, when it comes to getting admission into any of the Canadian school. One is ADAT. ADAT is equivalent to AFK specifically because it tests the primary academic assessment. Because if they are waiving you 2 years, you really need to give an ADAT. ADAT is just like if you see. If you want to get admitted into a US school, you need to give INBDE. Just like that, if you want to get admitted into Canadian school, you have to give ADAT. So the testing window is March 1 to March 10th. Casper assessment is an online situational judgment test in which they assess your ethics, your empathy, your communication skills, and all that stuff. Their final deadline is February 19th. All right, so the bilingual requirement at QBAC. One such sort of a requirement that they have is that your English proficiency should be very well. Your TOEFL should be with 30 score. IELTS academic should be minimum 6.5 and results should be sent directly from the test centers. French proficiency, you should be intermediate level, is now required for patient interaction. You should before application deadline, you should submit some sort of a proof that you are learning French or someone like that. Your B2 level French must be completed once you are on the 3rd year of your clinicals. All right, so application timeline and deadline. The window opens in mid-January. Final submission is March 1st, and post-submission you get your review and selection. Okay, so this is for someone like this is possibly not possible for this year, but this is for someone who really want to, get enrolled into DDS or DMD program in the future, and they are the permanent citizens or the Canadian citizens currently, and they have given their IELTS, academic IELTS, they have given their Casper exams, and they have started learning French as well. So this is for them. If you really have such kind of a mindset that you really want to immigrate to Canada, you have similar mindset within you, then once you have done all these things, then you can apply for McCall MacBain scholarship, and then once they approve, then you can get admitted into the McGill University. Okay, so clinical training and readiness, your clinical integration and safety compliance is very much comprehended when it comes to this kind of program. In the third year, your clinical training would be started, and for safety compliance, you'd have to do CLS, an AD certification, your physical and safety compliance audit, and compulsory immunization program. How to practice clinical dentistry in for free. PR holders pay significantly lower rates compared to international dentists, often paying over 50,000 per year in tuition fees alone. So it is going to be a full waiver. For financial aid, you can you are fully eligible for Canadian federal and provincial student loans when it comes to these kind of things. Tax benefits are again very much. Tuition tax credits allow you to offer future income tax as well. So this effectively, cater all your things. And bursaries are even offered to someone who allow university specific loans for that specific sort of a program. So this pathway is more of a net to zero cost. You really don't need to have to spend a lavish amount of money if you are selected by the McCall MacBain committee. So the McGill DMD Advanced Training Program is a premier route for international dentists to gain full experience, leveraging background to earn a world-class degree. Your prerequisite audit has to be done compared to your transcripts to McGill. You have to see that they are equivalent to 120 credits, and you have to know that there are any gaps in biology, chemistry, and physics, which you do in back in like A levels or in your intermediate. Then you then register for your test like ADAT or Casper, and then you do your language assessment and all that stuff. And then you kickstart your journey. So if this is something that you are always looking forward to, so don't waste your time, plan your things ahead and get started with it ASAP, because you are going to make a lot out of it without spending a lot of money and without getting yourself burdened under a lot of loan. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this video with other friends of yours.